Wow. There it is, the blizzard of 2013. Of course, my plow truck caught fire yesterday and burnt the wires after I just put a new carburetor in it. Dag nabbit! Looks like I've been doing a lot of hand shoveling. Snow blowing, my snowblower works. This particular vehicle is completely covered. All you can see is a little side view mirror sticking out like an ear. That's the only way you can tell it's even a car. Whoa! That car looks pretty cool. It's got like a tail fin on it. Yeah, so we got at least 2 feet, but in some areas it's more like 3 feet, depending on which way the wind was blowing. Some areas, you know, don't have more than a foot, so it's crazy how it just drifts. The wind is kind of stopping me from cleaning it up right now, but it's supposed to stop snowing at noon. It's about 8 o'clock now, 8:30, so I think tomorrow is going to be the real cleanup day when the wind subsides. But yeah, this was a big storm. I mean, and the meteorologists, I'll give them credit, they hit it right on the money this time. They predicted 18 to 24 and possibly up to 32 in some areas. I think some place in Connecticut got 33 inches of snow. So, you know, as much people complain about meteorologists not being accurate, they were absolutely accurate in this case. Signing out.